Pronunciation challenge. I have 3 vocabulary words. I'll show you the word, you guess the pronunciation, then I'll go over my pronunciation after. Number 1, most Americans pronounce this word disappointed. So we have another disappearing T in this word. This word has 4 syllables. The 3rd syllable is our stressed syllable. Disappointed. Disappointed. Notice in that 3rd syllable, I don't pronounce that T at all. Disappointed. Disappointed. Number 2. Okay, technically this word has 4 syllables. Vegetable. Vegetable. In my pronunciation, I only pronounce 3 syllables. Vegetable. Vegetable. And the first syllable is stressed. Vegetable. And you'll notice in my pronunciation, I change the J sound to a Ch sound. Vegetable. Vegetable. And number 3. Some people pronounce this word with 3 syllables. Jewelry. Jewelry. Other people, like myself, pronounce this word with only 2 syllables. Jewelry. Jewelry. In both cases, the first syllable is the stressed syllable. Jewelry. 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 How did you do? Let me know in the comments, and also let me know what other words you would like me to feature on Pronunciation Challenge.